Hi, it's Kate again, and you're watching Casual Comfort. Today, we're exploring a wardrobe dilemma many of us know very well. How do you dress comfortably for work without looking too casual, and elegantly without looking overdressed? The answer may already be hanging in your closet. A great pair of trousers or jeans, a simple top, and a few carefully chosen layers and accessories. Minimal workwear isn't about wearing boring basics. It's about knowing which pieces create structure, which colors work together, and which small details make a simple outfit look intentional. So today, I'll show you 8 easy formulas you can repeat, adapt, and make your own. Start with the trousers. If you want a minimal work wardrobe, start from the bottom rather than the top. A good pair of trousers can become the foundation for dozens of outfits. For 2026, relaxed tailoring continues to feel especially modern. Straight-leg trousers, softly pleated styles, and wider silhouettes that skim rather than cling. Navy, black, chocolate, taupe, camel, and soft gray are excellent choices because they work with almost everything. Then keep the top uncomplicated. A fine knit t-shirt, crisp shirt, sleeveless blouse, or simple crewneck knit is often enough. The trick is contrast in structure. If your trousers are wide and fluid, choose a cleaner, slightly more fitted top. If the trousers are straight and tailored, you can afford a softer or more relaxed blouse. That balance keeps minimalist outfits interesting. Yes, jeans can look professional. Jeans at work depend on your workplace, of course, but where denim is appropriate, it can create some of the best smart casual outfits. The key is choosing denim that looks intentional. Dark indigo, clean medium blue, black, or ecru jeans are generally easier to dress up than heavily faded or distressed denim. Straight and wide leg cuts work particularly well because their clean lines resemble tailored trousers. Now add something structured. Try dark jeans with a simple cream knit and checked blazer. Or medium blue jeans with a striped top and short beige trench. Notice what's happening. The jeans provide ease while the other pieces provide polish. That's the balance we're looking for. Use the third piece rule. Here's one of the easiest styling tricks for workwear. Imagine jeans and a t-shirt. Perfectly fine, but perhaps a little unfinished. Now add a blazer. Suddenly, it becomes an outfit. That blazer, jacket, cardigan, vest, or short trench is what stylists often call the third piece. And it can completely transform very basic clothes. For warmer weather, try a lightweight linen blazer or an unlined cropped jacket. For transitional seasons, a short trench is particularly useful. It gives jeans instant structure without the formality of a traditional blazer. Minimal style often works exactly like this: simple base, strong layer, good accessories. Build a quiet, flexible color palette. Minimal workwear becomes much easier when most of your wardrobe speaks the same color language. You don't have to wear only black, white, and beige. Try building around a few sophisticated neutrals: navy, cream, camel, chocolate, gray, soft white, denim blue, olive, and taupe. Then introduce one accent color when you want more personality. Burgundy looks beautiful with gray and navy. Powder blue softens camel and beige. Red can instantly energize denim and white. Olive works beautifully with cream, brown, and blue jeans. The advantage of this approach is that you don't need separate outfits for every day. The fewer isolated pieces you own, the more outfits your wardrobe can create. That's the real secret of a functional minimalist closet. If you enjoy practical fashion ideas that make getting dressed easier, subscribe to Casual Comfort. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please like this video and leave me a comment. Are you more likely to wear tailored trousers or jeans to work? I'd also love to know which workwear challenge you want us to solve next: colors, shoes, capsule wardrobes, or how to make basics look more expensive. Now let's continue. Stripes are the minimalist's secret weapon. If an outfit made entirely from basics feels a little too plain, you don't necessarily need a brighter color. Sometimes you just need a stripe. A navy and white or black and cream striped top adds enough pattern to create interest while still behaving almost like a neutral. Try a striped knit with wide-leg trousers and loafers. Pair a Breton t-shirt with jeans, a short trench, and a structured tote. Or wear a striped cardigan with navy trousers and simple ballet flats. This is especially useful if you're building a small wardrobe because stripes coordinate beautifully with denim, navy, camel, white, black, red, and even olive. One pattern piece can quietly connect half your closet. And unlike many statement prints, a classic stripe rarely makes an outfit difficult to repeat. Shoes decide how casual the outfit feels. Here's something worth remembering: sometimes the difference between a weekend outfit and a work outfit isn't the clothing at all. It's the shoes. Take straight jeans, a white t-shirt, and a beige jacket. With running shoes, the outfit feels casual. With sleek loafers, it becomes smart casual. With pointed ballet flats or slingbacks, it becomes more elegant. Minimal workwear benefits enormously from having a small, reliable shoe wardrobe. Think loafers, streamlined sneakers, ballet flats, Mary Janes, slingbacks, and simple ankle boots when the weather cools. Brown suede and leather are particularly beautiful with navy and denim, while black creates sharper contrast. And don't underestimate animal print. A subtle leopard or snakeskin flat can act almost like a neutral while giving an otherwise simple outfit personality. The clothes stay minimal, the shoes create the memorable detail. Accessories should finish the look, not fight with it. When the clothes are simple, accessories become more visible. That doesn't mean you need more of them. Usually you need fewer, but better chosen. A structured leather or suede bag immediately adds polish to jeans. A belt can define wide-leg trousers and connect the colors of your shoes and bag. Simple gold earrings can warm up navy, camel, cream, and chocolate. And sunglasses can add that final sharp detail to an otherwise relaxed outfit. Try repeating colors rather than matching everything perfectly. If you're wearing a burgundy bag, perhaps repeat that shade in your sneakers or belt. If your shoes are warm brown, a brown bag or tortoiseshell sunglasses can quietly echo them. These small repetitions make an outfit feel cohesive without looking overly coordinated. Minimal workwear isn't really about owning less for the sake of owning less. It's about removing the pieces that make dressing complicated and keeping the ones that make it easy. A great pair of trousers, clean jeans, a beautiful jacket, a striped knit, comfortable loafers or flats, a structured bag, a few colors that naturally work together. That may not sound revolutionary, and that's exactly the point. Because the best work wardrobe shouldn't require 20 minutes of styling every morning. It should give you pieces that almost style themselves. So next time you stand in front of your wardrobe thinking, "I have nothing to wear," don't immediately look for something new. Take your favorite trousers or jeans. Add a simple top. Choose one structured layer. Finish with good shoes and one thoughtful accessory. You may already have the outfit you were looking for. And perhaps that's the most elegant kind of style, when getting dressed looks effortless because, finally, it actually is. Tell me in the comments which formula you would wear first: tailored trousers and a blazer, or jeans and a short trench. Thank you for watching Casual Comfort. This is Kate, and I'll see you in the next video with more wearable ideas, smart combinations, and simple ways to make your everyday wardrobe work harder for you.